This is just way too fucking much. Look at this. What the fuck? I see 3 slide outs on one side. That thing's got to be 40 something feet long. Unbelievable. Long Canyon, baby. And this is Pucker Pass. And I want you to see the road here. It's in really good shape. I've never seen it this good. But, see this here? Those are not Jeep 40s. That is tractor treads. So we know for a fact the tractors come through here and push sand, push rocks around to make this into a 2-wheel drive road. Oh, look what I just saw. What is that? There's a hole in the rock. Do you see that? Hello? Pretty cool. So on a dry day, this is 2-wheel drive. On a wet day, on a rainy day, this is 4-wheel drive if you're even going to attempt it. And you've seen these pictures all over the internet. Tucker Pass, Pucker Pass, Fucker Pass. Wish it wasn't so smoky because the views are pretty spectacular when it's not. You just gotta come back during the winter. But this is still Long Canyon Road. And as you can see, the condition of the road is basically gravel, graded, unpaved, and maintained. Two-wheel drive. You can see that's the road right there. And here it goes windy, twisty, like this, back up the canyon, back down, and within a matter of a couple hundred feet you lose more than a couple hundred feet in elevation. It's a scenic road, very cool if you're into this desert landscape scenery. I hope you can see this. There's some bighorn sheep. One's really big. That's probably the daddy. He's off on the left. Looks like mama's to his right. And you got two babies. And then all the way down, well, not all the way down, but close to that big rock there. There's another sheep. And maybe you can see them better from here. But there's one like right there. And then I'm thinking they're right over there. They do blend in with the rocks pretty easy. You gotta look hard to see them. There's a little bit of an arch right there. It's called Jug Handle. Jug Handle Arch. I'm at Highway 279, Colorado River. This is the end of Long Canyon Road for me, or the beginning if you're coming up from Moab.